Today we are talking about how to escape to an island paradise without emptying your bank account. I will share my favorite travel hacks for flights, accommodation, what to pack, and how to have a dream vacation for a fraction of the usual cost. From couchsurfing to hidden flight deals, let's make your getaway both beautiful and budget friendly. Flights are usually the biggest expense, but they don't have to be. Use price alert tools, search in incognito mode, and be flexible with dates. Flying midweek or at night can cut your ticket cost in half. And don't forget about hidden city roads or nearby airports. Sometimes flying to a neighboring city and taking a ferry is way cheaper than a direct flight. Hotels are nice, but they are not the only option. Couchsurfing lets you stay with locals for free and often gives you insider tips on the best spots. Hostels, Airbnb rooms, and even house sitting are all ways to cut costs without sacrificing comfort. And if you split costs with a travel buddy, it gets even cheaper. Travelguide, a carry-on, saves you money on luggage fees and time at the airport. Pack versatile clothes that mix and match, plus essentials. Power bank, reusable water bottle, light rain jacket and swimwear. And always leave a little room for souvenirs. Skip expensive tourist restaurants, try street food, local bakeries and small family cafes. You will save money and taste the real culture. For activities, look for free or low-cost options, hiking trails, public beaches, local festivals and free walking tours. Many islands have breathtaking spots you can explore without paying a cent. A budget trip isn't about cutting corners, it's about making choices that give you more experiences for less money. The less you spend on things, the more you can spend on memories. Remember, the best parts of an island vacation are often free: the sunrise, the ocean breeze, and the people you meet along the way. So don't wait for a huge budget to start traveling. With a few smart choices, your island dream trip can be closer and cheaper than you think. See you on the next adventure.